Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best food dehydrators for jerky that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a jerky enthusiast, a health-conscious snacker, or someone looking to make homemade treats for your pets, I've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Food Dehydrator for Jerky by Fendia. This powerhouse of a dehydrator is designed for those who need a large capacity and high performance, featuring 12 stainless steel trays and a 1200-watt motor. With an impressive temperature range from 86 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit and a 24-hour timer, you can customize the drying process to suit your needs perfectly, whether you're making beef jerky, dried fruits, or even dog treats. The design is robust and professional, crafted from food-grade stainless steel, with a glass front door that allows you to monitor the drying process easily. The rear-mounted fan and 360 degrees airflow circulation technology ensure even heat distribution, meaning no tray gets left behind. Plus, it operates quietly, so you won't have to worry about noise disrupting your household. This dehydrator is ideal for those who want to preserve the maximum flavor and nutrients in their food. While it excels in capacity and performance, its price and hefty 21.1-pound weight might be a drawback for casual users or those short on kitchen space. However, if you're looking for a large-scale option for home or even small commercial use, this Fendia dehydrator is a top contender. Pros include its large capacity, excellent temperature precision, and quiet operation. The downside? It might be overkill for smaller households or budgets. Coming in at number 4 is the Elite Gourmet EFD319 Food Dehydrator, our most budget-friendly option in this lineup. For just $57.15, this dehydrator comes with 5 BPA-free trays and adjustable temperature controls, ranging from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a fantastic pick for beginners or those who don't need all the bells and whistles of premium models. The Elite Gourmet features a base-mounted fan that ensures even heat distribution, so your jerky and dried fruits come out perfectly every time. Its compact size and lightweight build make it easy to store, and the dishwasher-safe trays mean cleanup is a breeze. Additionally, the large viewing window lets you keep an eye on your snacks as they dry, which is a nice touch for first-time users. While it's a great value option, the lower maximum temperature of 158 Fahrenheit may not meet USDA recommendations for safely dehydrating meat. It's better suited for drying fruits, herbs, and veggies rather than heavy-duty jerky production. Pros include affordability, ease of use, and compact design, but limited temperature range and lower wattage might make it less ideal for jerky enthusiasts. At number 3, we have the PSI Dan Food Dehydrator for Jerky, a high-capacity 12-tray stainless steel model that delivers excellent performance for both home and semi-commercial use. This dehydrator features an 850-watt heating element and a rear-mounted fan for consistent, horizontal airflow, ensuring even drying across all trays. With 10 preset programs and a customizable timer, 1 to 48 hours, and temperature controls 95 to 167 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a versatile machine for a variety of foods, from jerky to herbs. The design is sleek and functional, with a transparent glass door and interior light for easy monitoring. Its spacious 30-liter capacity is perfect for large batches, making it ideal for families or those who like to prep snacks in bulk. The dishwasher-safe trays and included accessories, like a recipe book and drip tray, make this dehydrator a convenient and complete package. However, at 23.6 pounds, it's one of the heavier models on this list, which could be a drawback for smaller kitchens. It's also on the pricier side, but its performance justifies the investment. Pros include its large capacity, efficient airflow, and quiet operation. On the downside, the weight and size might make it less practical for casual users. In the runner-up spot, at number 2, we have the COSORI Food Dehydrator for Jerky. This premium option is priced at $107.99 and is perfect for those who want a high-performance machine with a compact design. It features 5 stainless steel trays, a 48-hour timer, and a temperature range of 95 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, making it USDA compliant for safely dehydrating meat. The COSORI is packed with user-friendly features, including 4 presets for jerky, fruits, vegetables, and yogurt. The rear-mounted fan ensures even drying, and the compact design fits neatly on your countertop. It also comes with a recipe book and accessories like a mesh screen and fruit roll sheet, adding value to your purchase. While it's a fantastic dehydrator, the smaller capacity of 5 trays might not be suitable for those who want to make large batches of jerky or dried snacks. However, for its price point, ease of use, and reliable performance, it's an excellent choice for most households. Pros include high temperature range, compact design, and dishwasher-safe trays. The only con is the limited capacity. Finally, claiming the top spot at number 1 is another Poseidon food dehydrator for jerky with 12 trays. This model is almost identical to our number 3 pick, but provides slightly better customer ratings and an improved drying process. It features the same 850W power, horizontal airflow design, and 10 preset programs for effortless operation. The temperature range of 95 to 67 Fahrenheit and 1 to 48-hour timer make it versatile for all kinds of dehydrating needs. What sets this model apart is its slightly lighter weight at 16.31 pounds, making it more manageable without sacrificing capacity. It's perfect for families, athletes, or anyone who wants to make healthy, homemade snacks. The transparent monitoring feature and quiet operation at 55 decibels add to its user-friendly design. The only downside is that it's still a large appliance, so you'll need sufficient counter space. But overall, this dehydrator offers the best balance of capacity, performance, and user satisfaction. Pros include high capacity, efficient drying, and excellent customer ratings. The only con is its bulky size. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.